They guys, one of my students said, look, they need to learn how to open trades, how to close trades, how to get their stop loss, and a bit about, just how to manage their trade. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just going to share with you. And remember, as I said, just send any questions through. There are no stupid questions. And as you know, I love helping, and also sharing is caring. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Without further ado, let's just escape there and then go to the chart now. Okay. Now, say for example, right, there are two ways. Let's find. So first thing I'm going to show you is like, if I want to put in a trade, right, I'm going to put my stop loss there. Say I was going to put my stop loss there, right? What you could do in an easy way, this is a really simple way, right? I basically right click on the chart, and then say I wanted to buy Amazon. Okay, and I wanted to put my stop loss where I see this brown bit. That's 78 pounds. But say I only want to risk 40 pounds, right? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go in and then just divide that by half, right? I think that was 0.8. Okay, it was 0.1. So that was 78. I only want to risk 40 points. So just divide that by half. You right click, delete. Now look at this now. So what I'm going to do now, as this is 0.5 now, and I said I'm looking to my stop loss there, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click buy. Now, if you look now, if just look around this section, you can see I'm going to drag. Look, can you see? That's 30 pounds. So if I say I'm going to put my stop loss here, so basically, if you look here, you see I'm only risking 40 pounds there. So that's one way to sort of measure risk without taking the trade. Yeah, you're not really in the trade yet, but you're seeing how much risk you're going to be taking to place this trade. Okay. Yeah. So we're saying, okay, this trade here is looking at about yeah, but of course you've got to look at the spread as well. But that's what it is. So now that we see that we're risking 40 pounds, we're gonna go in, and we also could see. So what we're gonna do now, we right click, we go again, right click, click buy. Now what we're gonna do now, this is gonna tell us now where how much profit. So we're looking to basically at this level here, that's where we're going to put ours, and we're looking to take profit, and we're looking to see if we're going to have 2-to-1. So at the top there, we're looking at 70. It's not really 2-to-1. However, what I'm doing now is just showing you how to take the trade anyway. Okay, so we're going to basically take this off now, and then I'm just going to go buy directly into the market. So look there, this is where you're going to take the trade from. So you can either basically go and press buy there, or basically you could just right click on the chart and go and buy limit. Yeah, and you can also do a sell stop, but we're not doing that. We'll just buy straight into the market. So now that I've placed a trade by clicking buy, okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my stop loss. I pull from here because it's, yeah, pull from here, and I bring it down to this point. You can see now that that's my risk of 40 pounds, right? And then this is my target, which is just this line up here, which is almost like a 2-to-1, 2-to-1. So I'm risking 1 to make 2 on Amazon. Okay, so that's what I've done. I'm risking 1 to make 2. So that's how you do that now. Now let's look at how we're gonna close out the trades. Let's take Adobe. Where's Adobe? Yeah. Okay, let me just show you how we're gonna do that now. Okay. Okay, guys. So look, there's a sell trade here on American Electrics. Now, for example, what we've got here, this was, say, for example, my stop losses, there was risking 29 pounds to make 100 and odd pounds, right? Because this is where using my supply and demand strategy. So anyway, I got the trade. So what I've done now, I've moved it now from what my stop loss to now break even. So that's break even point now, provided this market doesn't gap up way up, and this market really gaps, but provided that it doesn't gap all the way up and then sort of trigger me into a into a stop up to this point, then it's very unlikely that I'm going to lose any money on this trade. However, if you want to close, because that's your question, how do you go about closing the trade, right? So you can either, what you do, you right click, where this is the entry, you right click on it, just hover over it like this, and when you see that vertical arrow, and then you click on close sell. Okay, now this is American Electric. So if you go to American Electric, so all you've got to do here, if you click on this, like the symbol, it will let's American Electric. There's American Electric, right? Or you could do it this way, where basically go and that X there, you click on the X and it closes the trade. So you can either close it from there, or you could just right click, hover over the line, yeah, right click, and then either you can modify to move stop loss, or you can click on the sell, close sell, and that's as simple how you do it, right? That's how you're gonna think about closing your trade. And if it was a buy trade, it's exactly the same process. You click on, just right click, or you go to this section here and then click on the trade and it closes. God bless. Peace out. Happy trading. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to spread the word about what I'm doing here. And keep asking your question. You know how much I love helping. God bless. Peace out. Happy trading.